Here's a new 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. Create your own finish line in this comfortable, quiet, and fuel-efficient Cruze. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Chevrolet MyLink external memory control, power heated mirrors, manual telescoping steering column, driver and passenger front, seat-mounted, and rear side impact airbags, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, Duralife 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.